What is up, guys? Today we have a review of the lamp that's actually connected to your like power bank or any other USB device. As you have the USB Type-C here, as you see it's included. It's Baseus i-Wok USB series asymmetric light. That's how they call it. Source, screen, hanging light. So you can put it on your any like monitor or display like this. Very simple. Have different colors and USB-C cable, of course, available. So you set up USB cable like this, set it to your screen, connect it to power bank or any other source of power, and actually that's how it works. You have three colors: white, let's say yellow. Where is this? There's a switch. Okay, this is the brightness. As you see, it's a maximum or minimum, and you can just, when you press it, when you stop pressing it, the brightness change. So here is how you control the three sensor buttons here. So there's the color, yellow, and mix. So up to your preferences as well. Turn on, turn off button. When this button for changing the brightness, if you hold it, as you see, increase, decrease, and colors available as well. So very simple. Quite heavy. I guess it's really high quality, working from power banks. It's also advantage. So now let's connect it to the screen. I will show you how it looks like. Yeah, actually you can set up the angle how you look like, and for example, if you like this, it will not go to your eyes. Then you can set up like this, and how the screen looks like when you turn it on. And here is minimum brightness, maximum brightness here, and the color's temperature. I use it for around several months and I really like it. Works quite well and definitely worth its money. As the price of it, you can get it on discounts for $10–15. That's actually worth for this quality, and the Baseus company is well known, so actually it will work for a long time. You can use it from power bank, good for your screen and good for your eyes.